Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate guilt-free and healthy nachos. And it all begins with mini sweet peppers. I'm so excited to show you this, so let's get right to it. The main ingredients needed are 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 pound of mini sweet peppers, 1 cup of black beans drained and rinsed, a half a cup of frozen corn kernels thawed, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. For my toppings, I have aroma tomato, 1½ cups of shredded romaine lettuce, and a half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. So to get started, you're going to preheat the oven to 400, spray a baking pan with some cooking spray. While that's going, I'm going to cook the beef in the skillet on medium-high heat until brown, and I'm going to break it up with a spoon. Since I'm using 93% beef, it's very lean, so there's no need to drain. I'll go ahead now and stir in the taco seasoning and 2/3 cup of water. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat. And you're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes or until thickened. This will give you 3 cups of filling, so there'll be plenty to go around. Our beef mixture has simmered long enough. It's time to get to stuffing. Cut your peppers in half lengthwise and core them. Place your peppers cut side up and top each one with the beef mixture, beans, corn, and cheese. Looks good already, doesn't it? Into the oven it goes, and you're gonna bake for 20 minutes until the cheese is melted. So worth the wait. I told you guilt-free and healthy, right? Feel free to customize these to your liking. Use all vegetables and beans for a meatless option or chicken instead of beef. These nachos are so unique and tasty, you'll forget that there's no chip. As always, thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.